Okay. Look at how beautiful. Well, Felix, my tuxedo cat, I've had for 12 and a half years, was my precious boy, and I slept with him every single night. He slept on my chest, slept on my side, and sometimes he wanted to go out in the middle of the night, but he was not allowed outside unless he was supervised, and that was after the morning when the coyotes go back to their den. Well, my husband has long haul, and he wasn't feeling good, and I wasn't feeling good, and this was a very different night, and I got up and I went into the family room. First time I've done that in a year. And Felix was bugging Larry, and he opened up the sliding glass door and put Felix outside. And moments later, a coyote killed him. My precious Felix. I tell you, I've warned Larry. We've argued about this for years. Do not let Felix out. Do not. I know. I tell you what, I am really bitter and angry about it. I contemplating divorcing Larry. Just packing up and walking away. But then I have to consider he's not feeling good. He's got long haul COVID and pain from a damaged nerve. So my Felix is gone. And then I noticed Liberace wasn't coming around. And I figured, oh, it's the neighbor's dogs that were coming up to the front porch and had scared him off. I got my earbuds in. I wonder if the sound is coming through. I'm going to check it. Anyway, I want to share about the ritualistic, the murders, satanic rituals taking place here. I'll get my drone up and I'll show you where the bodies were found. This is scary. You know, here I am sound asleep or during the night. And a car with this girl's body was right on the other side of those trees, because that's the main road. And went up around the corner right there. And dumped her body off. I heard there's 2 bodies that were found. And a guy was burning some candles. That there were a couple of people doing satanic rituals down there. I don't know how true that is. But we have 5 cops that live in the properties that surround us. So I don't know if they'll be able to tell me, but one of the sheriffs that has lived here I've known them for 35 years. He's the one reported that it was a satanic ritual and there was candle burning. So there is a serial killer. I don't believe this is just a one-time deal.